Peeps, another weekend, the same madness across Jamaica. As between 8 p.m. on Friday night and what time is it now? 4 p.m. on Saturday, 8 Jamaicans were shot, 5 fatally, including a police officer. So in the first incident, 4 men were shot, 1 fatally while playing dominoes in Elliston Flats. 4 men were last night shot while playing a game of domino in Elliston Flats, St. Andrew, around 8 o'clock. One of the men was later pronounced dead at hospital. The police say 2 others are still in hospital in critical condition, while the 4th was treated and released. Staying in St. Andrew, as a district constable was murdered in Mona. The St. Andrew Central Police are now probing the murder of District Constable Okeeno Haughton. Haughton, who worked with the Detention and Courts Division in Kingston, was found murdered in his motor vehicle in Mona, St. Andrew last night. It is reported that about 9:30 p.m., Haughton was found slumped over the steering wheel of his black Toyota Corolla on Buttercup Drive. The police were summoned, and upon further checks, it was noticed that Haughton was shot in the upper body. And moving out west, there was a triple murder in Westmoreland that claimed the life of an up-and-coming artist that goes by the name Paparazzi. An up-and-coming artist was among 3 people killed in an early Saturday gun attack in Westmoreland. Now, reports from the Jamaica Constabulary Force are that the incident occurred sometime after 8 a.m. on Darling Street in the parish. Investigators have confirmed that the attack claimed the life of dancehall artist Paparazzi, who has been creating a buzz on the local music scene since late 2019 with his single Braffing. The artist, who was previously a popular party promoter in the island's West End, later teamed up with 6 dancehall crew member Chronicler for the single Braffas. At the time of his death, Paparazzi had been working on a collaboration with Javelani, with the duo having shot visuals for the tune in late October. Paparazzi leaves behind a teenage daughter who resides in the United States.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!